Yeah, we call that infrared hot asphalt patching right there. They laid that press down, heated that up for about 10 minutes right there, pressed it down to about 2 inches deep, reworked the asphalt, laying it down, and they're about to charge $250 for that press. It takes them about 15 total minutes for the whole job. That means that you could be making $1,000 an hour if you had 4 patches like that to do. If you want to learn how to start your own patching business, click that link right there, and we'll teach you exactly how to do it.